I'm recording right now.
Look at the big wings! That's so cool.
Oh, wow. Tiana!
I've never been more fucking excited for a ride. This is so much fun.
This is amazing.
It's like being in the
Sebastian looks up. Sebastian can't wait.
I know, dude. I feel you, sir. I'm so excited right now.
AC is kicking too. Here we go.
Oh, look at that.
Tiana!
When I get paid on the permit, we gotta go get nails. Oh yeah. Are we gonna get them done or get fake ones? I don't know. Whichever's cheaper. Yeah, Tiana saves money for the. Oh, the largest kid. Wish I could virtual queue. I want to do this over and over.
This is fun.
Looks like it's gonna be so much fun in the AC.
It's on glass. Let's do Look at him.
I know he's doing a little feeling. Look at my favorite dogs per row. Look, y'all want to do it together in a joke or you want to do it?
We can all do it together.
Well, it's 2 to 3 per row.
Oh.
So the first, I said me and Sebastian, and then you and Jared.
Oh, yeah. I thought it was 2 to 3 per row. I think it's 3 if you have a little kid.
The Tiana ride. Thank you. One and two.
Yes.
Let's do it. Say while we're about to get in.
Phone and the What's your step, Seb?
Oh, I meant to change my shoes. How did I forget? Oh well, we're leaving after this, aren't we?
Yeah.
Hold on, wait.
Oh man. Look at that celebration of family and friends in New Orleans.
Grandma, look, we're gonna go down there. Wow.